Hey y'all, it's your girl Lee. If you're new, welcome to my channel. If you're returning, thank you for tapping back in. In this video, I will be doing a review on this hair sent over by Domiso Hair. This is a closure wig, so if you're interested in seeing how I slayed this hair, then stay tuned. If you're new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, do all that good stuff so you can be notified every time I post a new video. Cause what? This is the law you should follow. Period. This is the packaging that Domiso Hair comes in. Very nice and floral. And it is, as you can see, 100% human hair. So it comes with the wig, and it has right here the length, which is 22 inches as the stretch length, and it is a deep wave texture. Y'all, I'm always getting deep wave hair. And then we have a wig cap right here that's just this tan color. I'm gonna go ahead and open it. And this is a natural brown color. It comes with the hairnet. So this is what we're working with. We have a closure unit, and we of course have these two clips on the side. Ooh, we got one in the middle, one in the back, and then we have these little clips back here as well. So you can make it as tight as you need to, and then we have the lace in the back. So it's not that much lace to work with, but I'll probably only be doing a middle part anyways. So it stops about, the part will be able to stop right here. So it's enough parting space going back, of course. And the hair is super soft, very soft. I love this texture, how it feels out of the box. This is she, this is her. I don't know, y'all. I don't know if it's giving 22 inches though. What y'all think? To me, it's giving 18. At least. I don't know. We'll see once I wet it though. And I'm going to, of course, go ahead and bleach these knots and have that looking right, okay? So this is the box that it came in. I did show you guys the before of the hair, so y'all should already have seen this, but I really love the packaging. The shipping was very fast, so I will give them that. I love that it's just like, so it's just so girly. I don't know. Okay, so they sent me over a 22-inch deep wave wig, and this is a closure wig, so it only goes from here to here, and then it stops like back here. So I feel like the parting space going back is a lot. It's a lot that you can work with, but going from side to side is not that much. But as you can see, I finessed it. And this is my first time actually doing a closure wig with baby hairs for real. So I think I did a really good job. I did a little install on myself, and just to show you guys, all of this is cap. All that is wig cap. So that just shows you like it's not really that much space in the front that you can work with, but I will be wearing my hair to the front. I will say that even though this is a closure, I really love that it's a lot of parting space going back, which is a good thing for me. The texture itself, when I first got it, it was very soft. But then after I bleached it and I was washing it, it was very tangly. I had a lot of shedding coming out of it, and I was just like, what's going on? Because the hair was really soft when I first got it. So after I installed the hair, I realized that the closure part of the wig versus the actual bundles part is different. It's like a different texture. I would say like the back of the hair, like not the closure part, but the back of the hair is more soft and is given what it's supposed to be given. The front of the hair, the closure part, it is a little more rough. I don't know why, but it's a little more rough, and then the curls are looser than the rest of the hair. Like, it's not really showing on camera like what I'm talking about, but you can tell, especially when you're wetting it. Like, the back of the hair, the curls are really tight. Like, they barely loosen up when you're wetting it, but the front almost goes straight. So I think that's how I was able to tell that the closure part was very different from the rest of the hair. I will say, since the hair was shedding so much, even after I washed it twice, so when I washed it again, it was still shedding a little bit. So I'm gonna give the hair the shedding wise, because it is a curly hair. All wigs, all hair sheds, that's normal. So I'm gonna give it a good 4.5 out of 10 for shedding, as in 1 being the lowest number, like bad. So as 1 being like as 10 being the highest. So yeah, it's a 4.5 out of 10 for shedding. The closure itself, I would give it a 6 or a 7 out of 10, because I feel like the knots could have been bleached better than they were. Yeah, I just feel like the knots could have been bleached better than they were, but yes, the closure is pretty good. I have a lot of parting space, and again, it was easy to pluck and to style and everything. I did pluck the lace, so yeah, I would give it a good 6 out of 10. When I first got it, there was no smell, which is good, because sometimes hair really has this stench that it's hard to get out, and this wasn't the issue with this hair. So for smell, I would give it a 9 out of 10, because it did have a smell, but it wasn't like overbearing or anything. So 9 out of 10 for the smell. For the length, let's get into the length, y'all. So this is a 22 inch, right? Why is it giving 18? It's giving 18. This is not giving 22. And I know curly hair, like the stretch length is what they call the length of the hair, but it's giving 18. It's not giving 22. But again, the wig itself is pretty good. I feel like the density of the hair is also really good. I'll give the density about a 9 out of 10. I feel like it's a very full wig, especially for it to be a closure wig. So I really like that it's full for a curly wig. Because you know, sometimes curly wigs can be thinner. Sometimes they come out thinner because they think like, oh, it's curly, it will dry bigger. But no, this is not the case with this hair. It's very full, which I love. And I really like how it dries. I feel like it dries very natural. Like, you see how it's like very like glossy right now? Like, what's the term? Not glossy. It's what is that word? Not oily, but shiny. Is the word shiny? I can't think of the right word I'm trying to say. But you see how it's like shiny right now? It's like giving shine, right? When it's dry, it's giving, I don't want to say dull, because it's not like, ooh, it's dull. But it's like, it's dull where it looks natural. It's like the natural shine, I should say. So right now, it's giving like more like unnatural shine, right? But when it's dry, it gives like natural shine, which I really like. So I'll give the hydration of it, I don't know. I'll give the dry texture of the hair an 8 out of 10, and I'll give the wet version of the hair a 9 out of 10. No, I'm gonna give it a 10 out. No, I'm gonna give it a 9 out of 10. Yeah, so that gets a 9 out of 10. The wet texture gets a 9, and the dry texture gets an 8. Okay, so I wanted to show you guys the hair when it's dry. So this is what it looks like when it's completely dry. So it's like it's a deep wave texture, but I feel like it's more, I don't want to say frizzy, but it looks more natural since like it's not like silky, if that makes sense. Like, yeah, I don't know if that makes sense, but the hair basically looks really natural, I feel like, when it's dry. And this is with products in it. I have mousse and I have leave-in conditioner, so this is what it's given when it's dry. So overall, I will give this hair a good, with everything combined, okay, just keep in mind everything I said about the hair. It was fast shipping. Okay, let's go through the list. Let's go through the list so I can really come up with the right number. So for the okay, let's start with the cons, because let's start with the bad, then we can get to the good. So cons are, it was shedding a little bit more than I would want it to shed. The texture of the hair is different, like the closure of the hair is different. The closure texture, that's what it is. The closure texture is different from the rest of the hair. That's a con. And then after I washed it, it wasn't as soft as it was when I first got it. So once it hit the water, it got a little tangly and more rough. So those are the 3 cons. And then the pros are, we have fast shipping, we have a nice texture when it's dry and straight. Overall, like the texture of the hair, the wig itself. It was easy to customize and style. That's a plus. Oh wait, let's back it up. Another con is it's not giving 22 inches. It seems shorter than what it's supposed to be. Okay, back to the pros. Okay, and it didn't have no smell for real. Oh, back to the cons. The knots wasn't easily bleached as it should have been, I feel like. Okay, back to the pros. So yeah, it's just a cute wig overall, and the fact that you could wear this glueless too, but I installed it. So when I say install, I glued it down. So yeah, overall, after me going down that little list, going back and forth, but going down that little list, I'm gonna give it a good 8. I think this wig deserves an 8. I think it deserves an 8. Okay, maybe it's a 7.5 or an 8. That's what I'm gonna give it, 7.5 or 8. But we'll see how it is after I wear it for, you know, a little while. It may go up, it may go down, but that's what it is right now. So if you have any questions about this wig, then be sure to ask in the comments below. Let me know what y'all think about this wig as well, and I'll leave all the details about this wig in the description. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, if you're new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, do all that good stuff. You do not want to miss a video. You don't want to miss a video. So really make sure you hit that post notification bell. Okay? Okay. But again, thank you guys for watching. And y'all know how last year, 2021, I was like, 2021 is up and it's set. Okay, well this year I decided that I'm gonna say, drum roll please, like you already heard it in the beginning, but I'm gonna be like, this is the law you should follow, because my initials are LAW, so that is law. So, you know, follow the law, follow me. This is the law you should follow. I'm the law you should follow, period. So let me know what y'all think about that new thing as well. And again, I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye y'all.